Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Gary. Good to see you again.
Good morning. Good to be here.
We are here.
It's summertime in Columbus.
It sure is. Boy, hotter than Hades, as they say.
Yeah.
All right. We have a question today. Let's pull it up. Gary, what do I do if the other driver in my wreck refuses to give me their insurance information?
All right. Well, you know, it does happen, but it's not a frequent occurrence. So what we have, I don't know, usually the police take care of all that.
Yeah.
What I would encourage you not to do is have a confrontation at the scene. There's just nothing to be gained from that.
Okay.
So the good news is, too, there's actually ways we can track that through the internet and services through the internet. If we know a driver's license or if we know a tag on the vehicle,
Right.
These things are publicly shared. I don't know how publicly, but we can get it, and we have for years. And then the last issue, I guess, on that is you can file a lawsuit and find out that way. But usually it's taken care of by the police. That's part of what they do at the scene.
Right. Okay. All right. There you go.
Yeah.
We've got
answer.
Really, that was pretty easy. No confrontation, though, at the scene.
Right,
That's probably not
let's
your best interest.
Right. Somebody who's not giving you that, probably not somebody you need to get in.
Right, exactly. So we also wanted to talk to the viewers a little bit today about there's a lot going on in our world right now, and as it pertains to the law. So tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, I think so. I think there's a lot to be learned from these hearings, not just substantively, not just what we're learning factually from people, but what we're learning about the legal process, because you're seeing depositions being used in lieu of live testimony, and that's what we do. I mean, we take proof. Even if the guy won't tell you who his insurance is with, if you put him under oath and swear him in, and I look him in the eye and say, well, who's your insurance with, he's going to tell you the truth then. And we're seeing that kind of play out with some of these lawmakers and politicians who've been reluctant to say anything. Now, when they're put under oath
right,
and examined in a court proceeding, through a deposition, that testimony is permissible to be given to a jury or a fact finder, and we're seeing the power of that now.
Yeah.
So, and that's the power in cases. A lot of times people don't want to take a position on something or won't commit. Well, you know what? When it comes to court, then you have to commit and hopefully tell the truth. And we're seeing that play out, which I'm proud to see in these hearings.
Okay. All right. Very good. Send us your questions. We'll be glad to take a look at them right here on Legal Break. Gary, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you on the next one.